So, oh, lovely little ginger halo. Mum is sleeping, so I had to be quiet all morning. It is gorgeous out here. I'm going to Kira's at the moment, Kira's house, to pick up some pictures because I'm doing a slideshow for her sister's birthday this weekend. And now there's hailstones. And now it's sunny again, so you can never really tell with this country. Okay, weather update number 3. It is now full on snowing. Yeah, so the gym's coming up, so you know what time it is. It's gonna get my juice on. I'm in that same boat again where I'm like, I understand that we get cheese from